Why is cross-matching key for sickle cell transfusions? Imagine needing a blood transfusion to help with sickle cell disease. It's not just about getting any blood. It's about making sure that blood is the right fit for you. Cross-matching is a vital step in this process. It goes beyond simple blood typing and helps prevent serious immune reactions that can happen when your body recognizes transfused blood as foreign. These reactions can cause complications like alloimmunization, where your immune system makes antibodies against the transfused red blood cells, or hemolytic reactions, where your immune system destroys those cells. Both can be dangerous and make future transfusions more difficult. People with sickle cell disease often need repeated transfusions to manage anemia and improve oxygen delivery to tissues. But because many patients with sickle cell disease are of African descent, their blood contains certain antigens that are less common in the general donor population. This mismatch increases the chance that their immune system will see transfused blood as foreign and produce antibodies against it. That's why matching 4 additional blood group antigens is so important. The process of cross-matching involves several steps. First, blood typing determines your ABO and RH blood groups, which are the basics for compatibility. Next, antibody screening checks if you already have unexpected antibodies that could react with donor blood. Then, the actual cross-match test mixes your serum with donor red blood cells in the lab to see if there's any immune reaction before the transfusion happens. For sickle cell patients, this process is often extended to include matching 4 other antigens like C, E, Kel, Duffy, KID, and MNS groups. Matching 4 these antigens helps prevent the immune system from developing new antibodies after transfusions. Advances in molecular testing, called genotype matching, can identify specific blood group alleles at the genetic level. This is especially useful for patients of African descent, as it can detect variant antigens that standard tests might miss. Using genotype matching can significantly lower the risk of alloimmunization, although it requires more resources and access to diverse blood donors. In short, cross-matching is essential because it helps find compatible blood that won't trigger immune reactions. It reduces the chances of developing antibodies that could cause future transfusion problems. It also makes transfusions safer and more effective, especially for people who need them regularly. By carefully matching blood antigens, healthcare providers can improve long-term outcomes and help manage sickle cell disease more successfully. Always remember, it's important to work closely with your medical team to ensure your transfusions are as safe and compatible as possible.